Cozy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another hair tutorial video. I just received a new unit in the mail and I wanted to install it with y'all, so I said why not. Yeah, y'all, it's time to get to this hair because it's Friday. We gotta do something to this hair. We gotta do something. We trying to have a hot girl weekend. I'm just playing, but no, my hair definitely needs to be did. Okay, so let's get into this wig. So this is a wig from Amazon, y'all. Yes, Amazon. I'm gonna show y'all the hair. So I had already looked at it myself, so I know what it looks like. It's something different, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So I'm taking off the little cap first and I'm gonna show y'all the hair. So this is the hair, and it has like little highlights of pink throughout the hair. But I do like this hair color. Why? I don't know. Anyways, I wanted it and I bought it. So it's a new unit. And I think this is like 22 inches maybe on me. Yeah, I guess I'll straighten it. All right, y'all, so this is a whole lace front. Let me get to where I can actually let y'all really see. But here we go. The whole lace front. It also came with a band strapped to the hair already, which is something new. I haven't seen this, not with no Amazon wig. Normally you have to put them on yourself. It has like a little lace part in the back. Gotta cut that off, and the top lace. But honestly, y'all, before I apply my wigs, I cut the lace off and then I put it on my head. So I'm gonna do that off camera because honestly, no, I do it on camera. It just take a while, so I don't like to do it on my head because I might end up cutting my forehead with the razor. I don't have time for that because I am clumsy. And of course, this is human hair. I'm not really with the synthetic hair at all. But anyways, y'all, I'm ready to install it. I'm trying to look cute this weekend. We're gonna see. Let's get into it. Okay, y'all, I decided to actually take some makeup and apply it to the lace because I feel like it is too what's the word, and I don't want to blend it today, not at all. I really don't. I didn't plan on doing that. So just taking some makeup and just spreading it out over the lace to give it that little, you know, just try to give it that scalp looking look. Okay, y'all, so now that I have taken the lace off the wig, I have my two faves, which is Wonder Bun spray, and I have the Got To Be glue gel. It's simple how I apply my wigs. I do this method because I don't like my wigs to stay on long, and this, like, I take my wigs off the next day or that same day, that night actually, because I don't like to sleep in my wigs. I don't know, sometimes I don't. But anyways, take this. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the perimeter of my head and go from there. Okay, y'all, so I'm applying the wig now to my head. Okay, y'all, so now I'm just finna tie it down. I put it up in a ponytail because, y'all, this wig is giving me problems a little bit. I ain't gonna lie to you. But we're gonna try to make, you know, we're gonna try to make this wig work. I'm starting not to like it, but we're gonna see how this turns out. Hopefully, it's something that I like. And I think with this one, I want to do like a side part, not a middle. We'll see. Who knows? But I'm gonna let this sit for like maybe, honestly, 5 minutes or so. Because it was hard to lay this one down. Like the edges. Like, that's why I have to do it off camera, because I had to go to the bathroom to really get a hold of it. And yeah, so I'll be back with the finished look of what it looks like. So my room, I just don't want this hair on the carpet. It's not happening. So I had to come in here. So I'm just gonna take it out. I'm just combing it right now to see what it's looking like. And yes, I do feel that I need to. So this is what it's looking like. A little waviness. So y'all, I got the flat irons on right now, so I'm gonna just flat iron the hair just to see what it gives. Eventually, y'all, I'm going to curl it. So while I'm waiting on the hair to actually get right, I'm just gonna flat iron it. I'm using the wrong comb. When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you know that already. When I found you, wanna. Okay, y'all, so this is what it's giving in the front. Straightness. So I'm gonna do the rest of it off camera, and then after that I'm gonna just come back and show y'all what it's looking like. All right, y'all, so I flat ironed the hair. I mean, all of it is not flat ironed, but I just got tired of curling it. Not curling it. I got tired of flat ironing it, so this is what it's giving. So you might see some wavy parts in there, but I ain't feel like doing the whole thing because I'm not wearing it straight anyway. Anyways, let's take this off and see what we working with, but I'm gonna put this back on. Who knows? I might have to retie it down again because this hair, up close and personal, this is what it's giving. Try to see what we can do with this, okay? Because I really want to see how this wig... Ooh, did I just comb up? I had my flat irons plugged up, but I'm going to actually go with... See, I'm going to go with the hot comb, and my camera is about to die. How's that? Alright, y'all, so I've been on this hair for like 3 hours straight. I know I have not showed y'all every little single step, which is probably the whole point of the video. But listen, I forgot to record the edges part. Like, I'm so sorry. Actually, no, I didn't. I think I recorded a little bit of it. But anyways, feel like a little edge right there. And I did some up here too. But right now I just tied it down. And I'm probably gonna do like a side. I think the hair is hairing. Wait. So I'm thinking about doing a side part. So I'm going to like flat iron it a little bit. Did I say flat iron it? I meant hot comb. Put a hot comb to it to lay it more flat. Like right up in here. And then maybe curl it. But this is what it's giving so far, y'all. It's not looking that bad at all. It's just the process of trying to get this to stay down took me a little minute, I'm not gonna lie. It's like all day to do this whole video. For all I used on my edges was some mousse and the two you need. It's cute for now, but I feel like once I put my makeup on and stuff and do something to myself, which is probably not gonna be tonight but tomorrow. So this is what I use to get it like super flat. Just spray a little bit. So the top part can stick up a little bit, I don't care. Just trying to get the middle. So I might have to end up cutting this a little bit just to like, you know, because I don't do side parts, y'all, like at all. And I really don't want to cut the hair because what if I want to do like a, you know, I ain't cut nothing. Hopefully this is enough, right? I ain't had a side part. I am not cutting no more. Tell me why you're crying. Boom, that's done. So we done with the hot comb. So now I'm gonna just take my curlers and just curl the hair, and now I can just let y'all watch me do that because there's nothing to talk about with that. Tell me why you're crying, how can it be, girl? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you So this is what it's giving. Do y'all like it? But it's giving, baby. It's giving. At first, I didn't know too much. Like, I was like, I don't think I'm gonna like this here. But I tried a side part, because y'all know I don't do side parts at all. So yeah, this is something new that I'm trying out. And so far, honestly, I think I like it. Color, I think I like the hair. Because at first, I was like, I don't know about it. But I mean, yeah, it's giving. It's coming to part. And all that. It's so soft. Like, this hair is really soft. Like, the curls really aren't really holding. But I do like the lazy type, you know. It's like, they're not that curled, but they curled. It's curled. But I'm gonna do my makeup and stuff probably tomorrow. But I just want to give y'all a little rundown of the hair. To get that curl that you really want, you gotta pull back from your hair. Like, you don't want that tight curl, but you want the curl that's gonna flow with the hair. You just gotta keep pulling back. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take this concealer. This is the LA. But y'all, I'm so sad. I'm upset low-key with my hair because it keeps falling. Like, Look at this. Look at the curls. It don't hold no curls. Maybe I should have just did a straight contour, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. They call me. All right, let me take a picture. Let me take a photo, okay? Because her name, baby, I think I'm feeling myself.